Hot wallet airdrop is already estimated at $27 per token. No KYC, no investment, just mine free tokens straight from your phone. Claiming hasn't even started yet, and this project building quietly over a year with the TG coming in Q4 2025. What reason do you have to miss this? Start mining now or regret it big time later. Hi everyone, welcome back to Sec Crypto. If you are new here, I share the best free crypto opportunity, airdrop, legit app and strategy that anyone can use to build massive income in crypto. So today's video is all about hot wallet, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how to get started and claim your share of this airdrop step by step. So don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notification so that I can get my next video. So let's head to our screen without wasting so much of our time. So what do you need to do? Tap the link in the description. It will take you direct to Play Store, which is this. So you click on it. So here right now you locate your search button, which is this particular one. You tap on it. This is your search button here. You tap on it too. Then you write hot wallets. So here is the app of the hot wallet airdrop. So here you click on this install. It's very simple. Just sign up with your email or wallet address. No KYC needed. Make sure you save your recovering phase. It is your access key. So that is all. So after downloading, you click on this open. Create an account here. Create a new account. So you click on the create an account. So you have to choose one particular category. I think I prefer this particular one. So you click on it. As you can see here already, for the sake of this, I have to pause and write down my seed phrase to avoid the story that touches the hearts. So as you can see here, it's already written. Write down your seed phrase. Without it, you may lose access to your account. So for the sake of this, I have to pause and write down my seed phrase. Thank you. After writing down your seed phrase and click on create, it will bring you here. So what do you need to do? You have to locate on this, click on this explorer. Then you click on it. Boom, you are here. This is the interview of the hot wallets. So here right now, I have to locate your mining process, which is this. This is where your hot will be dropping, earning. This is when the storage. So if you want to, you might have to click locate on this particular one. Also, you have to follow them on the update. So follow them on Twitter. You click on this follow. It will take you to their website, which is here. You have to locate your Telegram. After that, it will bring you back. So you click on this claim. So link, they will ask you to link Telegram to perform this action. So you click on this open Telegram. This open Telegram you are seeing here. So after you have connected your Telegram account, it will bring you back to the dashboard. Boom, here we are. So what do you need to do? You have to click on this. As you can see, I'm mining 1.2 HOTS per daily. So this is what I have accumulated. So if you want to increase this, so what do you need to have to click on this storage, this particular one, to activate the mining. You tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see this check news, which is this particular one. You click on the check news. You may come back. It's not compulsory. So you click on this claim HOTS again. Claim HOTS. You click on the claim. Boom, your mining has activated. So if you want to increase this, your mining, you came on this mission, this particular one. You click on the mission. As you can see, I already performed all the tasks. So that's all, guys. You are now mining hot for free. Easy, right? So if this video helps you, smash that like button and hit the subscription so you don't miss the next big update. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notification. See you in the next video.